And 5, 4, 3, 1. You might be wondering what strange apparatus is this. Well, it is a lock, similar to this lock already installed in a house. Okay, and meaning that this is the same lock. Yeah. Okay. Turn around and see from the interior. Then view closer look. Let me close up. Seen from the outside or exterior. Okay, let me name some characteristics of this lock, which has been made in China, and the brand is Kwikset, something like a set, an apparatus, and quick. All right. Well, first thing first, it's got a lifetime warranty. Okay, this is right-handed. In the same way that this is right-handed. Okay, check this one. Yeah, right-handed. This is my right side. This is right-handed too. This is right-handed as well. It's got a fixed cylinder, reversible latch. This is the latch, this one here. It's gonna be removed and replaced for this brand new one. It's weldable. Okay. And 3 keys. Then it's a high security rim lock. Okay. Yes. What advantages? Okay. Yes. Close up here. Okay. Kwikset's patented smart key security protects against advanced breaking techniques, thieves techniques. Right, always allows you to weld the lock on metal doors without discoloring the box. The box. Okay, this one is not welded, it's just using bolts. Okay, but if this door were made of metal, it would be welded. This metal wood comes with bolts. Okay. And then, solid steel box. Okay. Up to 4 stronger than the leading competitor, Yale, made in USA. Reversible latch, cylinder guard. Okay, this is here, cylinder guard. Okay, this is okay. The solid steel bolt here. Right. Like in here, this one is a solid steel bolt. All right. We warranty the beauty of our finishes and the performance of our craftsmanship for as long as you own your home. Okay, if you own your home for 20 years, your home will be keep the beauty, okay, of these finishes. Okay, enhancing your home's beauty. Okay, okay, and yes, it's got a cylinder guard here. Okay, all right. Uh-huh. Okay. This QuickSet patented smart key security protects against advanced breaking techniques. Okay, let's open the package, okay? Yes, now, and here it is. Okay, the latch. Okay. Mhm. 3 keys. All right. For installation, okay, one, place the template door. Okay. Two, mark center of the 35 millimeters diameter hole. 3, if using screws to mount lock, mark screw hole centers. 4, if using screws to secure the lock face plate, mark locations. A for lock with welding plate, or locations B for lock with the welding plate removed. Okay, here it is some diagram. Okay. And now, and let's check now. Okay. Aligning strike box with lock assembly. One, place strike box against door frame, then and align with rim rock assembly. Mark all screw holes. Okay. Drill screw holes using drill sizes listed in a table provided. Okay. Okay. Secure strike box using 2 short screws and 2 long screws provided. Okay. These are the short screws and the long screws. Okay. Right. These are the instructions provided here. And finally, okay. Remember, luxurious, okay, high security for advanced breaking maneuvers on thieves trying to break into your home. Thank you.